Hi guys, here am I with a new video of how to install the hacked version of Alto's Adventure Unlimited Money. First go to the site called play.mob.org. After that just search Alto's Adventure. Okay, Alto's, Alto's Adventure. After that, after you take it, go down and there's a download bar. Click on that. See Android 2.3 and higher point v1 point unlimited money. Just download that. I already downloaded it, so there's no need to me to download the file. Okay, let's see the gameplay. Yeah, here is it. Okay, just loading. Yeah, see my got this much money, everything I purchased. Yeah, I'm just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Llamas. Whoa, that was close. Yes. Yes. Oh, that was really close. Come on, yeah. Best distance. Oh. Yes. Oh, that was really close. Okay, yeah. Here I got. That was money. That's a lot of scarf. To make more, to make the scarf bigger, just do stunts and go through these flags or slide in the ice, whatever. It's your choice. Or do okay. Let us do stunts. No, not like that. By jumping, yes. Alright. Okay, just go. Yes. If it touches us, we will be out of the game because Zelda. Yes. Okay, I got feather or yeah, it's not finished. Go 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 go. Hover in the way. Yes, I got it. Don't. Big jump, please, big jump. Oh, that was really cool. The scarf is bigger now. Oh no. Oh yeah. Let's play it again. I'll show you the whore. Flying. Whatever. Yeah. I got the money. I got the money. Enormous. Free creatures. Here you go. Let's go there. Yeah, let's do it again. Where is this? Okay, I need to get this down. Scarf bigger. So I can show you the flying technique of him. But I need some more levels. Oh no. Okay, let's try again. Okay, there we go. Oh, why I can't get them? Oh, concentration is going. But then I don't need this time because I play this thing a lot. Oh, come on. One, two. Wow, nice. Oh shit. Oh, that kind of be. Okay. 160 go. Oh, whatever. Sorry guys, I couldn't do that because it's a lot of time. Just we need to get a scarf bigger because we do not do that. Okay, not fair. Yes, get the scarf, bigger scarf. Oh no. I need to get the scarf bigger. Oh, this much big. One. Two is so dangerous. Yo. Can I get a maximum amount of backflips here now? Yes, I got flying. Yes. Yes, I got him. Yes. I got him once. Llama home. Oh no, I just. Yes! That. Nice. Nice going. Going this way. Oh no. Luck. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Peace. I'm gonna stop this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.